Hi friends, welcome back to Art Page YouTube channel.
Today in this video we are going to show how to make cartoon photo which is going viral in the social media. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Here we need PixArt and Toon app for the editing process.
At the first, we want to convert our face into cartoon. For that process, we want Toon app, open it and convert your face into cartoon. Okay, here we have the cartooned face photo. Now we have to add our face into a separate body or a vector body or a cartoon body which we have downloaded from the internet or a Google, and we have to download the vector image or the body image from the Google or some websites. For the final process we need PixArt.
Here you can see our image which is downloaded from the website or somewhere else. Now we are going to add our face into the vector image and select the photo which we have created in the cartoon photo, and here we have it. Set the photo align to the face and erase the unwanted part in the face. Now align the photo correctly to the face and erase the unwanted particle in the picture. Okay, now our photo is ready and ready to post in Instagram, Facebook and such other social medias. Thank you for watching the video, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel to support us. Thank you.